Hi, in this video we will show you how to install and activate Bookly with Pro add-on from scratch. Bookly Pro is a paid add-on which enables advanced features, removes limitations of the free version of Bookly plugin, and allows to purchase and install more items for Bookly. First, you need to purchase the Bookly Pro add-on from our Codecamyon page. Download the archive with the latest Bookly Pro version. Extract bookly-addon-pro.zip file from the download archive. Log in as admin to your WordPress website. In Plugins, click Add New and Upload. Select the bookly-addon-pro.zip file and click Install Now. The installer will automatically download and activate the required free basic version of Bookly plugin and Bookly Pro add-on. After successful installation, you will see Bookly and Bookly Pro add-on in the list of installed plugins. Go to Bookly menu, Settings, Purchase Code, and make sure to enter your purchase code in the appropriate field to have access to free updates of Bookly Pro add-on. If you enjoy the advanced functionality of Bookly Pro, rate us on Codecamyon and Capterra. Your opinion is important to us. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Like this video if it was helpful. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and follow the links in the description. If you want to know more about Bookly, have something to share? Let us know in the comment section below. See you soon!